Hi Buffett, hi Buffett, hi Buffett. This is your boy Sim Timbla for this is Azan in Politics. Sunday Tribune correspondent has returned. MK Party invites the ANC to join government coalition talks in KwaZulu Natal. So the MK is invited in talks with it's invited the ANC to talk after a long time, Buffett. You'd remember that these parties are Batelelani, they don't get along at all because its leader is the former leader of the ANC. So he has a beef or a problem with the leader of the current ANC, which is Ramaphosa. Jacob Zuma has a beef with Ramaphosa. MK invites ANC to join a government coalition talks in KwaZulu Natal. MK Party invites ANC to join government coalition talks in KwaZulu Natal. The Mkhonto Wesizwe Party formally invited the African National Congress to discuss forming a coalition government in KwaZulu Natal in a letter dated back February 22, 2026. So it's last month. From the office of the president of the MK Party, the party confirmed that it has already initiated engagement with the National Freedom Party and the Economic Freedom Fighters as part of an effort to establish a new government arrangement in the provinces. But logic has it, even fairness, but there's no fairness in politics, there's no fairness in life. MK Party should be running KwaZulu Natal, but yeah, they dragged their feet in coalition talks during the coalition talks of the country in 2024, so they were left out. And the Nkatha and the ANC ended up running the KwaZulu Natal through coalition. They later addressed to the secretary of the ANC, Fikile Mbalula, and copied to the ANC task team convener Jeff Radebe and coordinator Mike Mabuya Kulu states that the ongoing talks are intended to create what the MK Party described as a stable, inclusive, and effective government framework for KwaZulu Natal. The correspondence was signed electronically by MK Party Second Deputy President Tony Yengen, who said the invitation was extended in the spirit of cooperation and inclusive political engagement. You'd remember that before Tony Yengen joined the MK Party, they didn't want nothing to do with the ANC. So I think Tony Yengen might have an effect or an influence in influencing Jacob Zuma to allow the MK Party to contact the ANC for the coalition talks. But before Tony and the ANC didn't want anything to the MK Party didn't want anything to do with Kwagoko. They call the ANC Kwagoko. Aye, but they baranwa kumkhulu. Aye, MK Party. The correspondence was signed electronically by Party Secretary Tony who said the invitation was extended in the spirit of cooperation and inclusive political engagement. According to the letter, the MK Party believes this participation of the ANC could add meaningful value to the process of shaping a new political provincial administration. The Umkhonto Wesizwe Party convenes its fraternal greetings to your respective leadership structures. The letter reads, noting that the coalition discussion are part of a broader effort to establish effective governance in the province. The next engagement is proposed for March 7, 2026, although the time and venue are yet to be confirmed. The MK Party has requested confirmation from the ANC regarding the availability of its delegation to attend the meeting. The development comes amid continued political maneuvering in KwaZulu-Natal, where parties are exploring coalition arrangements that could influence the provincial political direction. The NFP, which is the kingmaker in the 80-seat provincial legislature, withdrew from the government of provincial unity GNU led by the IFP through Premier Tami Ntuli, who survived vote of no confidence 2 months ago. The NFP provincial chairperson Bali Shinga, who's the MEC of Social Development, helped Ntuli survive the vote after she defies her party's directive to vote with the MKP and the EFF to unseat Ntuli. Yeah. The MKP has indicated that it will file a new vote of no confidence on Ntuli. So, guys, what do you think, Buffett? What do you think? Do you think this is the start of the MK Party going back to the ANC? Or this is the political strategy for them to claim what's the rightful theirs, which is KwaZulu Natal? Because KwaZulu Natal is rightfully MK Party's province through the numbers that they go through the votes. However, through political landscape of South Africa, they didn't manage to govern. Will they manage to lose the province again? Let us wait and see, Bafethu. This is Azan in Politics. It's your boy Sim Tembil. Please like, please subscribe, Bafethu. See you on the next video.